Be wise for once and apologize. Uko media neswa Ghana for no abe clash with NDC Naa Koryoo. Eye Auto Senior East constituency member of parliament. Efa in the press conference obey ya just obey attack no obey challenge and say one mutaka Muhammad ebe kan ye no. Obu ya say there be mami ade o ye ne pa de. Ade o ye ne pa de. Wonya de o ye no kra at least. She should be wise for once and apologize instead of defending herself. Memo anchiri mu no achide wadwen amame. Ewo comment section. Aha Penyah block media. Me so say any demo. Obe like video no under my subscribe button so no be click the notification come latest updates. No be chide wadwen dey amame. Ewo comment section. Me so so no one share for anya be ahwe. Eti ma dia trend Ghana hanu say Felix Naa Koryoo. Ni papa kwa say hot on trend. And I say one on trending. Felix Naa Koryoo. I would just near East member of parliament on the ticket of NDC. Then you find somewhere 2024 election, the night of the election, yes, 7 December, or Bekanye, or make you post on Facebook. I will chile say, Hawa Koomson and the boys, episode Omuko no. I'ma ask, she was speaking, no, Oma bo, the boys, mienu tuo ekuomu. Emma, when Twan posted the pictures of the boys now go to work when Twan posted pictures, no. And after when Timon for Omudini Crown Tuja, Amia who say, and Goffin Comunie, a way to Wemu, a boom to Kumabus and Funi, Yakuyo yes, when for you have Emma, because of a dance of a kind of Captain Swan said interview Emma issued a trend there. A little banana for Hawa Koomson what time, Eddie says, will Kundipa. Abra yanya evidence via metchere, but Yadi raw just like that. Dead body seen why I ain't my family. And go from him for your time for me club tuja. Ye 12 and whom abusia. O may ye whom Ghana ha. But I'm on for GD because you for GD just like that. Said Hawa Koomson just like that. I'm a doing the Hawa Koomson to a Tom Cruem. Oh, Crum Hanum. But Nancy Anna Mutaka Mohammed, interior minister, be a press conference or be address say election violences in 2020 and 2024. A whole eloquently to say or certain task force as Omni investigation. Through all the election violence, of course, for Ghana had more. Now, almost investigation I'm going to say there be Felix Naa Koryoo no making you 10. Fans wouldn't have a can, yeah. Except Hawa Koomson and the boys are be attacking no. No and Yanukre. And we go be can we say Yanukre every day. Post making you Facebook no. Or today we say new boys too. Ya bo mu to work woman. Amu na on the spot. Omo. But Oko PM Captain Smart show so that same night, after making that social media post, a horn over camp for. Oko tell me say, Omo tutu, I'm a barco newu, barco prior didn't call hospital.
Eti, my yankwa man sona a queer sapoma ene na Koryoo ewo hona fe onen into an common so. Obequia, wo ye?
Captain Yankupon drum me ho ye.
Twaso ho my.
Yo, Captain, say dear yedi kan yabo amane ama ewiase Ghana for ate de kwaso etu a akwaso enne anwumre ya ewo awutu senya East constituency abra Felix Naa Koryoo ene ne nkrofo evisite polling centers bia omodane wo ho a wo mo ba fie na sesei abrantia ba kokra na wato ananom ewon siedo na ba kon ka ho susu aprapra ani eye nyan no eno ho a ene da so wo no Honorable Naa Koryoo ewo menche Honorable, good evening. Good evening. Honorable, and then now cause what to say is
anyway, dear, yeah, as a puff. Na the center, Metroaba, a step to Christ polling center. Or more, yeah, I can kind of use me for witness CBT, a real young administrator, other centers are or more putting things together. It's me free step to Christ on. And I mean, who say, V8B across it, my official car use that can I may use for over 1 year. A year party can be used. It's a V8 me HAC a cano. Na me call for and a tecan. Na and one say you say in conformity sa V8 canimono. O must say almost to true. Yake yanko from Yenuje. Omoda fem cry. But
the first post will be make the post will make here. And so now interview or change the nipa mienu ewu just mami ha ni or exaggeration chantro. This is misinformation and disinformation. What I say? Emma, Mutaka Mohammed, Ebe Council, na go be as better mami ba uncle be patcho. But NUH and obe a press conference. No buy no. Wa obe or sabe denying statement na Mutaka Mohammed everybody obe deny. Agency Mutaka Mohammed ebwa. No. Obia musa no question Emma nka say bibia sa NC. Obia musa no hwe. On the general Roger say Hawa Koomson and boys I attack no. Oba yes when tima on boys ni di say okay we yen ko bo se obusiafo. Ana pictures kura ni bibi ni when tima fa hwe asa mekire. But eno na Ghana for hwe don say there bi mami de mami oba besia o de enya hwe fa failure to nchen de pa Ghana for achew na etuo enko trade ye twene o just say mami on pa Ghana for achew na de bibia to enja
ya ne do baby akọ uni among your phone provocative yes and the fighting for power and authority you be say not to me na on the back no be we na investigation akọ pie mo no na ma se mo say ya butututu ebi mu kura ka so mo be kuno eno me na se for ono afi de ono akọ di na ho no na wa hu say se 2 minutes dia ba ma men ka no kura no pre we akọ ba ni say wa wa chitafo nyina hu tedi mo pie akọ ba say ubekum nipa kura na dia jitinya obeye ubese nipa na dia jitinya obeye ubegu nipa enuma na dia jitinya no so obeye na before the car actually lumba kwade to no see we are say what's the idea the man and the woman are so idea the man ni na won sabeka be mum ye hin na dia su be be ebebro enti ye no enyo no nko be nkradia sa enyo no nko bofo ne de ne na mpo apaso de enyo no nko enti wo hu se do ye ne nya o fa che per mood en fa nkonkoma Hawa Koomson ene MPP no we de enyo bi na cost la no kasa ma no no.
Yeah, do you know one thing? Ghana is a serious country. She na Koryoo se na soyo se sa na saya no. Wonim se ne ho ensem bi okeka ye nti ana abrekuma ankomu kum Hawa Koomson. Sa woman na ese okọ jail. Because enkrofo bi di adwene bi hye wo mutirim. Ese Hawa Koomson eyi nipa boni ni. Hawa Koomson kum nipa. Hawa Koomson di se na teka soa. Enti sa kunfun fight na omokoto share Hawa Koomson so ewo abrekuma abato no so no. Na esa woman ntra. Na Koryoo wonye ni papa. Na Koryoo wo ye nipa boni ni. Na me kan wia yemfa brem ni na makana Japan. Ono ene ma de koso. Because when a question nkrofo bi achi munye sei monka sei. Captain Smart wani na gu ase ye titi wani mu gu ase TV tref wani mu gu ase wakatua beba na Koryoo ube twaso aba ade a wo ye anki yekukum Hawa Koomson kwa because of one sembi wo de beka kire public na memfa bone nche wati na memfa bone nche.
Now let's listen to this gentleman. Let's listen to him.
Since yesterday and today, my say Hawa Koomson and Honorable Naa Koryoo are trendy, and I've seen people saying Hawa Koomson has been vindicated because Naa Koryoo say her vehicle wasn't attacked, and I'm like, do you understand vindication? I guess Obi somebody has been vindicated. Do you understand? So Naa Koryoo say her vehicle wasn't attacked means that Hawa Koomson has been vindicated of electoral violence. Whether Naa Koryoo's vehicle was attacked or it wasn't attacked, but you can't deny the fact that Hawa Koomson was shooting guns. Hawa Koomson herself cannot stand somewhere and say that she has never shot somebody and killed the person in the...
Look, Sir Clement, let me advise you. You are grown, you are a big brother, but let me advise you on this note. And ye bibia na wase moba na moba be defend you. Sir Clement. And ye bibia na wase moba apo you be defend in the name of NDC, in the name of me NDC. Some of the things you only come here to lose credibility. Nyama be bria mo be defend as mo lose mo credibility e apo so. And ye bibia na wase moba na mo be defend. Sa honorable me visa Koomson ni Naa Koryoo issue aye kan sama wo about a wo be chere the meaning of vindication. I'm even surprised say me reply to video because you are not worth it. If you don't know the meaning of vindication, then what reason do I have to reply to your video? But yeah, there are two I want to say We will not allow people to tarnish the image of Honorable Mivisa Koomson and Moye and last year and I say Ndrano. Yempene. You don't know the meaning of vindication. Who name the meaning of vindication? What about Apple say Bisa say, ye name the meaning of vindication. Obi a tratora to be sooner say and they investigating the uses hard and yano cra, a friend saying. And now when why a dictionary for phobia, a one meaning of vindication. Then you have to come and lecture us on the new meaning of vindication. Because for all we know, vindication is about so we be tratora to also. Sa tron, ye be investigate later be right side and yano cra. And friend vindication. Ye be better also. Ye the allegations better also. Now later be like say and yano cra and vindication. That's what we know. So you have to come and lecture us on the new definition of vindication. Asema na wokan san. Wa anka asema wokan eto asum. Asema wokan eto asum na say Clement. Say a certain MP abetna TV so catch the whole Ghana say ono ye to aba no. Hana me bisa Koomson the car edi ni car chairman in fact almost shoot omo attack shoot ni car mpo e ma ne nkofo bi wuye. Na and they investigating na your friend say ombe ka asem no ho na ye hu the way e dey asem be ya na o say oni ho no ma na che say Hawa Koomson enya vindication na vindicated no na oni ho no we dey hu say Hawa Koomson na attack you. And those that were there no have also refused to come and talk. Is that not the vindication we're talking about? So oni ho, if you were not there, how did you know that Honorable Hawa Koomson's convoy attacked your car? And I say, I mean, and Tron will be trying, and so far as we try Tron, it means Honorable Hawa Koomson didn't clear. And you are here to defend this. Master, it's maybe Biana was someone defend you up with you. You are not meant to be defending everything on this app in the name of me NDC a month me wakwaje communication debe me wakwaje coins a shame won't no asem biana na wan kasa hwebia wote bibia wote ewa. You are far from Ewutu East constituency and you want to talk about issues in Ewutu East constituency. Now, we say Honorable Hawa Koomson to be Jina Bibians who say on shooting and Kumubi our election time that Mr. Osa same way, he be push agenda while by answers our question way. I don't know that me work as what mean say the last time I saw Honorable Hawa Koomson with Kumubi. And so no and the old Jina say on to mean swear. That means that you have seen when baby. The last time I hear work as the last time I use Honorable Hawa Koomson, a polygon was when she was defending herself, was when tags no more attacking, not or defending her. And I nanka opesa otenas manukunu omukunu now wabe true camera abeka say ye kum MP tags ye kum MP. Nanka opesa sa de na esi. Do you even know what happens? Do you know Kaswa? Unim Kaswa. Do you know Kaswa? Do you know how it takes to vote to be what do you call it, a voter in Kaswa? Unim the way a Kaswa city election time. Na say MP be attacking then cry 2020 there about to asema ye cry 2020 2024 ho asem na ye kan se sia ye vindicating no we 2020 ho asem na ye kan na wo begina aka say Honorable Hawa Koomson want to me gina baby and defending no say onkum obi aye wo na wo say onkum obi, you have to answer that question. You have to come out with your proof. Yan tana se mamon bi no mon ba na mon betan she view of a friend Honorable Hawa Koomson sa akwa na mon ko se na mo ye ne last se na mo MP e ye ne last year no yan pene masad Nancy. Do you know what it takes to vote in Kaswa? Who say Clement here? The who done pool agent work Kaswa? You think you can be there for even 20 seconds? Who say Clement? One big. You do be done pool agent work Kaswa say ya. Can you stand in for your party? Do you know what happens here in Kaswa? Obi defending who are this as not done issue or better aka. Go to the police station. Car na Honorable Hawa Koomson. Car na the friend say one of the car na tags on air attacking. The car is there. Police phone keep it for proof. Said no, they were approaching her and she had no option than to defend herself. And ka wo twema say yen kunu na wo twa camera na beka say ye kum MP. Was that what you were waiting for?
Naa Koryoo. Na what they say Naa Koryoo me boy. Kaswa MP. A man de na menemunya issues ya na mempe ntia na me so a bit e wo ma ho but e hu se oba bit me tram trend se ato ne yonko ba so Naa Koryoo me kotu anu asem o say Hawa Koomson tried to kill me. No, the two of my agents are dead. That's what you said. not knowing say Naa Koryoo, you lied on your fellow MP just because of political power. In the journalist Jimmy Forbid is a Captain Smart. A man here we interview so Captain Smart. Naa Koryoo akoba say in some of cattle yama me Hawa Koomson no enye no kre. The captain San Grant in another interview. Now for what day 2 years. Ghana a problems I war. Journalists for my problem for Ghana. Jantwa another Jimmy for Tikumashi and Nana Jantwa. And a Captain Smart. Nana Jantwa also Jody. Nana Jantwa. One will say Uyo beer and ne uti either left. Adebachi na adwena koto right. Baby esika chimko na ho na wadwenko. Jantwa. Baby esika echimko no. Ho na ujimi echimko. Se sika chimko right na ujimi akọ right. Sika ko left na ujimi akọ left. Jantwa. One will say what's Kevin Taylor account one seven now small boy no now training in the oh yeah na fine question. Yanto one kwanya wudi sikachi ene ntro awutwagu MPP for so tama opowa also do asem akwa abronya so abronya de be ma woto tenyam na mekona asem ne tokwa but yema me Hawa Koomson se Ghana police say omonche Naa Koryoo se hwana na selective justice ekoso o man mu o man de say no yakonya NDC for police service NDC IGP NDC IGP NDC special prosecutor NDC attorney general te say there Ghana na o say no we NDC nia obrom raso eti yama me Hawa Koomson say Ghana police service o mu hu say Naa Koryoo de oyeye no was a see a channel in the jam anymore. Pacho, one casa college or official complaint, sue no court for defamation. But more than sue no, usuna. Nasa court no, any attorney general someone for one. Abai sa, as a son, ya chis hagion. Near na ku shame, near replacement with a grada. Because a ye would disem a ye so ultimate kase uyonku ba eye so kun wo so pick up am team no ye boat to pe e ma two guys two na pick up na chomienu we o report ufun and the story has turned and yes and it fair press conference be brofo ni atro paper so am ina wo kan press conference want me kura want man tell us an kasa say metia make say ya chop people so and I will kind say there we emu 111 wonim guase say Ghana politics na ye no say na NDC for almost mobile politics na there then we have a long way to go. Some most politics na mobile say na mobile na then we have a very long way to go. Mano esi eti Ghana police service IGP se wo se Naa Koryoo ade na waye no se unhu se ade na gane ye no odiserve se mo che no ye impeach no parliament
awa bo ngobra abusiafo Hawa Koomson nyame wono so wodi na 710 papa Hawa Koomson nyame no wote se na nado nyame wana bro Hawa Koomson Onyankopon oya adwuma ntem papa ni nyina munu ye fasida ma Nyankopon na ye fasida ma wana bo mutaka Mubarak wa chese oye kremoni ampa oye kremoni kron awon ntro buko kremoni de en fata se obedi ntro na wadana di se ampa wotene nyam so mnase e nipa binum a ka ma kata so na o ma ye nwuran won ti ase na mutaka Mubarak de wadana de ma yanwu se ampa Nkemofo na mo ka no kure no o ka mo ho bi na Koryoo semahu because of power what dintro agu uyonko baso ama no ho yahi ama wonkofo te se omunya no kura ombekunu hwade ekoto Hawa Koomson ewo sa election we mu ade ekoto no ha se wa ma uyonko ba wo party for ede ne ho tan ehye omumu ko bu no tiatia no so abra onye hwe onye bone wadi nso se wa toto tuwa bo kamu enne wa ankasa wo se ade ne sie kwa na wonni ho because de wo kan nyina wa ankasa wonni se eyen toro na wo twa nso wa twa gunu so senka yekunu anka yakunu kwa onye bone bia Nyankopon na eda na se Hawa Koomson wo Nyankopon en na do Nyankopon no omo na meso wo mo Hawa Koomson me se wo Nyankopon no en na do Nyankopon eni ba wo Nyankopon no omo na meso wo mo ai meso wo mo da na wei obi afantu no hofu se wo kodi ntoragu yonko so abra wonim se sama me kan nya no kore yan kai se wiase we no ma ye pa ne nyina awa ha no manfo ne wugya asa no ma no na ebeto ye ya so ebe wagya no ma no na yakọ se pa kakra wo benya nti wudi ntoragu yonko so weje se enya akoma pa na wo de mamman no ko ni ba wudi ntoro agu yonko sitin so na waji power se ye bebu na kunu se ye be ya ne den emfa ho na wa ba tana power de enya o man ntina wo ba mo sha no kura ni dadi unyina mutu dadi bako wala wala mutaka mubarak nyame shirawo Hawa Koomson ya mautinkwa Hawa Koomson me se ya mautinkwa se nipa nyina hu se wo ho son nyame shirawo na nyame to ambo mo ho ban sa na omma mo Nyankopon no onya adwuma tentem sa sene na do Nyankopon esi ase ya adwuma eh mani aje Nyankopon shirawo bibia Ghana fo Nyankopon shirawo nyina
Tire wa adwen mame e wo comment section. Penyah Block Media.